Alright YouTube, we are back with another video, okay? Again, we're doing Flight, but this time he's reacting to SoLLUMINATI. I vaguely know who SoLLUMINATI is. I mean, I know who he is. I've seen his face. He's definitely, you know, had his time, went viral and stuff like that. So has Flight. You know what I mean? We all had our, you know, our epic moment in time. Alright, so right now I'm reacting to Flight, reacts to SoLLUMINATI. Alright, so if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. This is about to be funny because you already know Flight is extra. Okay, stay tuned. Alright YouTube, we are back. Let me get this out of the way before I start it. I don't know what's going on. I just saw that, I saw the thumbnail and that's basically it. I downloaded the video and we're reacting to this. I have completely no idea what's about to happen, but I know that SoLLUMINATI is cutting his hair. That's the gist of it, okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go.
What it do, Flight Crew? FTC. Flight Team stand up! Another year to carry.
Another year to carry.
January. Now, on this Friday.
Another year.
Bro.
Alright.
I had at least 20 plus people inbox me, bro, to react to this, bro. There has to be clickbait, bro. Has to be, bro. But look, man, at the end of the day, bro, you know what I'm saying? We didn't come here disclaimer, you know what I'm saying? If he really did cut his hair bald, what it says in the title, we're not here to roast Demigod, man, because look, bro, he's actually been pretty, you know what I'm saying, easy on us the last year, you know what I'm saying? We're definitely gonna give him his props, but look, bro, like I'm allowed to give my opinion still, right? No, like I said, this isn't coming in here to come at him or nothing too hard, bro. I just want to know why, like what was like the you know what I'm saying, the reasons for the title of this video say cut my hair bald. Because look, bro, it's one thing to have braids, but when you have dreads, bro, especially for like the growth process and shit, bro, I've known niggas that had dreads since like 1st or 6th grade. 1st or 2nd grade, I meant to say. How does that go? 1st to 6th grade? Yeah, okay, I meant to say 1st, 2nd grade. But look, check me out.
1st to 2nd grade.
Anyway, that's a long ass time, bro. Like a long ass time. Like what made him want to, you know what I'm saying? Because the thumbnail looks real, but there's a lot of like bald, like actor type of movie type of you know what I'm saying, filters, hairstyle you can do. Yeah,
filters you can put on it.
We gonna check it out.
I definitely want to see what's going on too.
Dewey so in the building, hoodie so in the building.
Try to get them waves.
In the building was
okay. We all got do-rags on. Okay, all right. I don't know about that velvet though.
I just cut my hair bald, man.
Why?
He has to be getting waves.
I cried too. I ain't gonna lie.
You lose a bet?
And I should have never cut my mustache. I ain't ate pussy in like 4 years, but
alright.
And I'm gonna grow my beard out too. Becoming my best self, man. It's like, let me tell y'all this. After 10 years, I just cut my dreads. Feel like I released a lot of anxiety or something, like pain and baggage. And
you know what's funny? One thing I can't say that I actually know, if you actually have a lot, that's the same thing I actually said, damn near. When I had my afro and long hair, that's actually true. When you cut your hair,
get a lot of headaches.
It's like weird. I wouldn't say necessarily like weird, but it's just like, it's like a whole bunch of weight and energy actually on your shoulders or on top of your head technically. You know what I'm saying? And it's like if you start over, you know what I'm saying, like you get like release of that. So I'm thinking he did that for that purpose, which is nothing wrong with it, you know what I'm saying? But personally to me, when I go bald, if he's really bald, I'll at least get a wave cut, bro. We gotta see. Maybe it might just be clickbait still. Let's just see.
Like, bro, I got cars, clothes, I got everything.
But that shit really does work though, because I could tell you, when I had my fro and braids, bro, my happiness, like overall, since then has increased at least 5 times.
Flight,
better, bro.
come on,
you know
bro.
what I'm saying? Like I was probably doing a good job of like not showing it as much, bro. But those times, like afro to braids from 20.
Flight, you comparing that little afro you had to his braids, bro.
Honestly, from like, because I had so many phases of me when I had a fro and braids.
Bro, it's a little.
But like that
fro,
very
bro.
last time, I can honestly say that was really probably damn near my darkest times, almost. You know what I'm saying?
We ain't gonna
within
touch
life.
that. We ain't gonna touch that.
And as soon as I cut that, you know what I'm saying? It's like I seen the sunlight, like right again.
So regardless.
That's like me saying I cut
everything
my
I
little
want,
fro
millions
off,
of fans,
and
millions
you know
of
what I'm saying, I was a
subscribers.
totally
I was
different
still
person. The
hiding
energy
shit,
was
bro.
bad or something like that. Come on, y'all.
We in a world like
Come on, y'all. It ain't your hair.
Perfect, bro. Ain't nobody perfect, my nigga. Everybody trying to get their bodies done. Everybody don't want to accept. They don't want to accept themselves. It's like they programming us to hate ourselves because everybody want to be perfect. So it's making the motherfuckers that see them on a regular basis. Like if you're on social media 24/7, you seeing people that's living perfect lives. Ain't nobody lives really that perfect behind closed doors, bro. It's like we in the Matrix. They fucking with y'all stocks. We in the Matrix. I just cut my hair.
Okay, bro,
No
cut
way.
your hair.
Damn, you really did. I don't see the dreads that hang down from the damn
I got
thing.
the Kobe, and I want you to know, it's no such thing as being ugly. As long as you love yourself, accept yourself. Be free. I feel free as fuck.
Hey, if it makes him happy, that's what I was saying.
Yeah,
That's what the goal is. You know what I'm
yeah.
saying? I said that in the beginning of the video. I
agree.
didn't come on here to try and like flame him, rank him, roast him, ratio him, or none of that. You know, it was just like I just wanted to know why. What was the purpose behind it? And plus, he just has been hibernating for like 60 years. So just trying to make sure Demigod's good, bro. We actually care about you over here, bro.
People gonna treat you
Oh,
like
you know.
yourself. I'm about to be a fucking meme. I already know.
You can see the smirk on his face. That was slick shots.
Let me show you what it is.
Bro.
Oh.
Damn. You gotta frame that shit though, the dreads. If I was cause you might as well just go bald.
Listen, when I first did it, I cried. But after a while I felt a sense of relief. Like I released a lot of like pain. Like I feel good as hell right now. I'm actually smiling and I'm happy as well.
Yeah, I can
show
tell.
you
You
this, though.
have stop smiling since the video got on.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Yo!
Okay.
Oh shit! I didn't think it was for
Oh,
real.
it ain't that deep.
Oh! Yo! Hey, look, man. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I'm gonna be just 1,000 with you. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. Like, no homo at all, bro. Like, it generally does not even look bad what I thought it was gonna look. Like, it actually real low-key fits him. It looks like this is his type of hairstyle when he's like 35 and up and shit. When you start losing hair and receding and shit.
Bro, this ain't it.
Like, bro, Demigod, coming from Dut Reacts, bro. Like, this is not a bad look on you, bro. Like, I honestly feel like, low-key, not even looking at it now, this might even just be your, like, look. You know what I'm saying? This is, bro, this is probably, like, one of the most bossiest business moves. Watch, bro. You gonna get hella brand deals, bro.
Gonna grow his hair back
bro, the
in
bag gonna go up. The bag gonna level the fuck up. Like, I'm actually happy for you that you did
He
it.
just
Me,
cut it all
I
off.
wouldn't go fucking bald
did it for
unless
the
I lost like a
views.
bet or some shit, which I did, and I did.
He cut his hair off for the views, man.
But,
I know how it is.
bro, I'm actually happy that you had the strength to do this, bro. Like, you don't realize the bag is gonna get bigger for you. But, bro, the thing is that too, it's just like, I can't even like roast him because it's not like he generally doesn't look goofy in it. Like, I can't, if I was to do this right now, bro, I would have to literally hide off social media for like 2 or 3 years, and that probably wouldn't even work.
That's because your
I
head
would
is
literally
kinda
be
wide
a lifetime
like
meme until the
It's
3000s
It's
era,
your
bro.
hair structure.
But
His
you can get
head
away with
structure
this.
kinda
Like,
long.
it actually does not genuinely, like I said, look bad on you. Like, this generally actually fits you, bro. Like, I'm actually surprised. Like, I can't even, like, I have no roast at all. I wasn't even gonna roast you regardless, but
Just let it all go, man. You gotta let go to grow.
I hope he knows how to, like,
I wish he
use
would
a
have
shaving
showed,
cream and shit. You can get bumps and shit, like getting bald. But it depends if he's more sensitive
I
to
wish he
it.
would have showed us
I ain't gonna lie to
him
you.
cutting off the dreads.
Yeah, he could grow that beard. He looked more bossed up and shit in his bed. Like, once again, pause, no homo and all that. It ain't nothing wrong with fucking, like, giving your opinions and...
Let it all go.
Bro, the haircut actually fits him, bro.
Man, he really cut off his dress,
man. No, first thing.
All right, bro. All right. Sorry, Demigod. The only roast I got to give you right here, bro.
Bro, what was that?
You're welcome for profile pictures for all of you guys. This is straight menace to society. You know what I'm saying? Tendencies at its finest. Bro, that's the only badge I gotta give you, bro. This is a menace to society badge, bronze edition.
This got to be my thumbnail.
No, first thing first. I'm looking outside. It ain't no sun. My bald head. I got a white nigga head. The fuck? My bald head gotta get some sun. But overall, I feel like I got a different glow about myself now. Like, feel like my teeth whiter or something. I don't know. Do y'all see that?
Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you though. If you post a picture on IG with the bald head with the sunshine on it, bro, I can't stop it. But them comments are gonna be brutal.
Yeah, look,
hey, they was going in on me when I had
my overall went up to a 99.
All right, relax now. Relax.
At all. It don't matter. It don't matter if you think you ugly and all. It's weird. It don't matter. You can do and be anything you want as long as you facing your shit. Get out of your comfort zone. Y'all been fucking with me for this long, and I have never showed y'all my hairline or none of that shit. It's stuff about me. I had everything I want. Millions of fans. Y'all accepted me for who I was, but I still wasn't good with myself. Now I feel free. I feel like I left a lot. I let off a lot of weight.
I did kind of hold on.
That's how I felt when I cut my hair.
I did feel free when I cut my waves off. I'm gonna be honest with you. I felt a sense of relief. You know what I'm saying? It was almost like, is the fans still gonna love me? You know what I'm saying? If I cut off my waves, which some of y'all did, but some of y'all didn't. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all was pressing me about getting my waves back right. But yeah, let's get back into it.
And I know that feeling. You know what I'm saying? Like, that shit's real. Like, it's like a hell of energy, bro.
They gonna let you fuck regardless. Females don't care how you look these days, man. I go off the energy. It's all about your energy and how you treat yourself. Why you think you got singers like Lizzo? She was like play cleaner with all the Hall of Fame badges, but she Lizzo. She. What I'm trying to tell you, I represent Kodak Black. Like, look at Lil Baby. I ain't gonna lie, Lil Baby ugly as shit. Nigga ugly, like glowing. Lil Baby is Lil Baby. It don't matter how he look, he's Lil Baby. You get what I'm saying? I'm just trying to use people for example. I got the Kobe, I got a bald head. Do it matter? I'm still the same nigga. Hoodie so in the building, Dewey so in the building. I'm about to go outside and get some sun. I just want y'all to start loving yourself. And I want y'all to know, I went through a lot of stuff when I was a kid. I went through a lot of trauma, a lot of pain with my hair. I had a lot of hair loss. I went through a lot of crazy stuff when I was a kid that only my family know about. And little did I know, that stuff that I went through was impacting me to this day. I didn't even know. I've been turned into memes and shit, so it's like I accepted wearing do-rags and hats and all this shit all the time. I'm gonna start doing videos with my bald head. It's simple.
I'm gonna tell you, Demigod, for example, advice, stop wearing the hats. The hats is what made you lose your hair. You know what I'm saying? I got put on game with that when I was like 11. That's why I stopped wearing hats like that. Like, I wear a hat like once every like 30 years. But, like, the hats is what make you bald. And it's what you put in your hair, too. It's the hair products and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, to be honest with you, bro, the only hair product I be putting in my hair is, like, my pomade for waves. And I only use that, like, probably once or twice a month. You're not even supposed to really put things in your hair, bro. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it says, it has chemicals in it. You're honestly naturally supposed to just use water.
He said
and just a very small percentage, like a dime size of whatever hair product you're supposed to use. Like,
anyway, y'all, love yourself.
They both kind of like
take care of yourself.
Real theatrical.
Who cares?
I mean, I know
it don't matter how you look. Just be free. Accept that shit. Accept your flaws.
Hey man, that's gonna cap it off. Hey man, I'm actually proud of Demigod, man. He actually can tell he grown. You know what I'm saying? If it makes him happy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all should be happy. You know what I'm saying? Like, to me personally, you You know what I'm saying? I don't personally think, like I said, Paul's normal, whatever. Like, it doesn't look like bad. Like, it actually generally fits him. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was prepared for way worse. You know what I'm saying? Like me, I could have never had a head. Like, I have a straight ET head. That was my nickname. You know, one of my nicknames growing up was ET. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like I can't do that because people are gonna start trying to tell their fortunes and shit when I'm trying to walk down the street, and that ain't happening. This motherfucker. As you may, coming up a little reacts next, man. On the world of 4 minutes.
All right, you guys, that's it. Comment down below if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and put a bunch of money.